Hey there friends, in this video I'll quickly demonstrate how you can use the powerful and dynamic features available in Tableau to customize your titles and your captions on your Tableau sheets and dashboard. The data that I'm using for this particular exercise are dummy data that have the paid wage of employees by the categories, by the subcategories of these professions, and by the time series ranging from 2010 to 2015. So let's begin. To begin with, if you don't see the title or the caption available on your sheet, uh, you can simply go to Worksheet toolbar and activate them by clicking on their relevant checkboxes here. As you can see that the title of this sheet is Practice 1 and it corresponds with the name of the sheet here. So by default, Tableau adopts the name that has been assigned to the name of the sheet. For instance, if I change Practice 1 sheet to Test Sheet 1, you will see that automatically the title of the sheet changes accordingly. So you can customize this by double clicking on the title bar here, and while you're on the edit portal, as you can see that Tableau has automatically adopted the sheet name, and you can actually write anything you want. For instance, you could say breakdown of paid wage and click on apply, and you would see that that will be the title of your sheet. You can also automate this by, let's say, uh, by insert breakdown of paid wage by, and then use one of these uh, the calculations or any filters that you have done, so that each time that you activate your filter, it appears on your title. For example, we can say job subtitle group, and job title subgroup is pretty much a product of your filter that you do here. And so uh, let's make it bold, change it to, and click on apply. And as you can see, it is showing us the subgroup job titles each time based on the filters that are done. For instance, if I click on all, it's going to give me all of the job subtitles. Just 1 second, it's thinking. There you go. And let's say if I and as you can see on the title, it says breakdown of paid wage by all. That means all the subgroup of employments. Or you can non-select, you can deselect all, and you can see that it says none, and there's no visualization here on the sheet. And let's say if you click on attorney, it's going to show you the attorney. It's going to show you the attorney box plot charts, and it'll also view the name of the filter here. If you put business analyst, and you would see 2. If you add teacher, then you would see 3. So again, the title of your sheet changes dynamically as you uh, as you uh, uh, as you make changes to your filters or any calculations. Again, you can play with these features available. You can change them to your full name, username. Again, any calculations, especially with the years, um, that you have them on your marks card, on your shelves. You can also use data source name, data update time, sheet name, page count, page number. You can either remove this or you can expand on this. For instance, you can say you can have a second line saying date of refresh, and then click on, then select date update time. Okay, so it will show you both the date and the time of the refresh. Okay. Now that we learned how you can customize the titles, let's look at the captions. Same way it works with captions. As you can see, that caption have captured some calculated or measures related information here that are by default. And you can do the same thing, double click on the caption box, and as you can see it says default caption, and by default caption captures any operation or functions that you have embedded onto your sheet. So this sheet has breakdown of job subtitle group, and it also has the filters on job title group by these particular filter distinct variables. So it lays out, it outlines again each of the operation or commands or functions that you have implemented on your sheet here. And you can also do the same thing with your caption by adding any of these customized variables that are available here. And you can also make changes to its formatting using these formatting features available. Having a title that represents a high level detail of what your sheet will be, and having a caption that breaks down the calculation or any measurement related information details, break them down in simple terms as it is. It will be very, very helpful for readers, especially those that come from non-technical background, to be able to understand your chart or your dashboard at a glance. And lastly, you can change the formatting of both of your title and captions by simply clicking this key on this key tooltip here and clicking on format title. And from here you get both the formatting settings for title and captions, where you can play around and change the formatting uh, for both your title and your caption. I hope that this video can help you in your Tableau development endeavors. Thank you for your time.